Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Have you heard of Paxful, the peer-to-peer Bitcoin marketplace? If you are looking to get started with Bitcoin trading or want to start selling your Bitcoin, then Paxful is the perfect platform for you. In this video, we will show you step by step how to start selling on Paxful, as beginners of course, from creating an account to posting your first offer. We will also provide some tips and best practices to help you succeed as a Paxful seller. So, let's get started and become a successful Paxful seller. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. The first thing that I will need you to do, guys, is launch your browser. Right after that, go ahead and go to the URL section and search for Paxful. So here we go, paxful.com. Now this will enter the platforms opens for you. So this is the platform to trade with Bitcoin and much more. Not only Bitcoin, you have here USDT, USD coin, and much more. You can buy and sell, and there is multiple ways to actually pay if you'd like to buy, for example. If we click over here to show all, you will have multiple options. There is bank transfers, online wallets, debit credit card, gift card, digital currencies, cash payments, and goods and services. Let's say, for example, you'd like to do an online wallet. They accept about 200 kind of online wallets. One of the popular ones, there is PayPal, WeChat Pay, Gcash, Apple Pay, M-Pesa, and Cash App. There is, of course, much more than that, like AirPay, AirTM, Azimo, BHEM. There is like dozens of them. So all you need to do is check the one that will fit you the best. Now, let's start with creating an account and becoming a vendor. How to do so? You see here in this menu, click on become a vendor. That's pretty much it. Now, click in here to sign me up, and then all you need to do is verify the captcha. So verify that you are a human being, and here we go. This is the registration or the creation of your account. So here you have to put your email address. So this is just an example of mine. And finally here you have to put a password. So make sure to have a strong password with one uppercase letter and one special letter. So let's do it like that. I don't know they mean with special letter. After that, all you need to do is click on create account. So let's click on create account, and then let's solve this puzzle. Here we go. Now the verification access has been given to us. As you can see, a link activate to your account has been sent to your email. Now let's go to our email, and then let's go ahead and click on this one. Not this one. Let me just refresh. Make sure that this is the email. Alright, and let's search for Paxful. Alright, here it is. Now, here we go. I think it is this one. So, verify my ID, and from here, they will just verify it. So, here we go. Now we have verified our ID. Now we have to log in to view this page. Now, let's log into our account from here. So, click on log in, and then just use your email and password that you have used before. So now let's sign in. Here we go. Solve the captcha once more. Let's make it over here. Alright, so I've made a mistake. So let's put it here. And now we are going to log into our account. So let's close this page. And here we go. Now to be a vendor in here and start making profit. So the first thing that you will need to do is create an offer. So go ahead and click on create an offer. And from here, choose what kind of cryptocurrencies you're going to offer. There is Bitcoin, Tether, and USDC coin. So you can choose whatever you like. Let's choose, for example, USDT. Here, what would you like to do? Sell Tether or buy Tether. So you have to choose which one of these you'd like. So you can create, for example, one. So I will show you how you can make money using that. Let's bring a calculator and let's explain that with numbers. So let's say that you are buying Tether from people, all right? So let's say that you are buying it, for example, for about your, let's close this, for about um one $1. All right, this is how much or for how much you are buying it. You will create an offer like that. So payment method, you can, for example, accept online wallet. So we are going with PayPal. So let's go for PayPal or WeChat, Chipper. Let's see here. Digital currencies, all payment methods, and then choose PayPal. Here choose your currency. So let's choose, for example, USD dollar, and then go to the next step. Here, market price, and let's choose a fixed price. Offer trade limit. So what is your limit? So you are buying from the limit, like the least amount that you are going to buy is 10 like USD, and the maximum is about, let's say, 1000 USD. All right, here fixed price market rate, your offer will list at 0.9. Here I highly recommend you that you choose this price. So choose this price, for example, which is here on for what you are buying it. So let's say that you are going to buy it for 0.9. This is pretty much good. Here, offer limit, time limits, let's make it, you can make it whatever you'd like. For example, this is like when someone offers you his USDC, how long does it take for you to answer him? So it depends on you literally. So you can choose whatever time will fit you the best. I highly recommend you to be at around 15 to 30 minutes. This is the best time that people will choose. So now click on next step, then click here offer tag, etc. Some informations about you, and finally click on here to actually uh, be able to do that. You have to verify your ID. So click here, verify your ID from this page. It will not take that long. You just have to give them their ID and etc. And then create your offer. So now what you have done is, let's do this real quick over here. So we have created a buy offer with 0.9. So now what you're gonna do, go ahead and create another offer. This is the second step. In this offer, you are not going to buy, you are going to sell now. So choose Tether once more and choose PayPal again. So let's choose bank transfer or all payments and then PayPal. Here we go, classic trade, and then next step. Here it is now, the amount that you are going to use. Let me just fix the actual currency. Let me just do that again. Here we go. And let's sell, so all PayPal, and here USD. So we make it all clear. Now next step, as you can see, alright, payment method, sell, PayPal, alright, classic trade, and now next step. Alright, so we have bought the actual like USDT or the Tether for 0.9. Now you are going to actually sell it for a higher price, which is gonna be for, so let's go for fixed price. Here, fixed price market rates, your offer will list at, let's remove this. I think we have chosen the Bitcoin. Let me just go back real quick. Yeah, we have chosen the Bitcoin. The price was too high for Tether. Yeah, this is the one. I'm going to do this once more. USD, and let's go to the next step by seller. And let's go to classic and next step. So as you can see here, if I went to fixed price, you see here it is about 0.98. So you are making here, so selling, you are selling it for 0.98. So here you are actually making profit in USDT. USDT you're buying, you are you are selling, I mean, you are earning 0.08. So imagine how much you can earn with this rate. Of course, if you'd like to make it at $1, that is pretty much awesome. So you are going to earn 0.1 per 1 USDT. So for example, let's say that you have sold 1K of USDT, you are going to earn $100. So this is pretty much it. That's how you can actually earn money through Paxful, guys. So yeah, this is pretty much easy. So all you need to do now is go to the maximum, next step, and create your offer, and you will start making your money. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.